Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to troubleshoot common issues in Bither. If your wallet isn't syncing, first check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If your connection is fine, try force closing the Bither application and reopening it. This can help reset the sync process. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Bither application. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Bither application. If there is any update available, you will see an update button. Tap on it to download the latest version of it. If your transaction is not confirmed, the issue could be related to low transaction fees. You can check the fee status on the transaction details. Sometimes, the Bitcoin transaction can take time depending on network congestion. Check the Blockchain Explorer to monitor the progress. If Bither application is not loading properly, you can restart your device. It can often fix app loading issues and other related problems. Once your device reboots, open the Bither application again. If there is still some issues in your application, you can contact Bither customer support. They may help you provide the troubleshooting problems to fix any underlying issues. So that is how you can troubleshoot common issues in Bither application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.